Ashlyn 2, called Blizzard. Many of us like to play in the soft white snow of winter. Watching a snowfall can be fun, but sometimes falling snow can be unsafe. Blizzards are winter storms that can be unsafe. These storms have strong winds, heavy snow, and cold air. The wind can blow hard and fast. The snow can blow so hard that it hides almost everything. Sometimes all you can see in front of you is snow. This is called a whiteout. In a whiteout, drivers cannot see the road or other cars. People cannot see where they are walking. There is a blizzard, people should stay inside and watch the snowfall. That is the best way to stay safe.